In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check item availability in Costco. If you're planning to buy a specific product from Costco, it's always a good idea to check whether it's available before making a trip to the warehouse. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of checking an item's availability using the Costco website. Be sure to watch until the end so you can easily find out if your desired item is available for pickup at a nearby Costco location. To get started, open the Costco website in your web browser. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're signed in to your Costco account. Signing in allows you to access shopping features and view warehouse pickup availability for eligible products. If you're not already signed in, complete that first before continuing. After you're logged in, browse the website and locate the specific item you'd like to purchase. Open the product page and look for the warehouse pickup information. If you see that warehouse pickup is available for the item, that means the product can be picked up from a participating Costco warehouse, depending on your location. This is a quick way to determine whether the item is available in-store rather than only being offered for shipping. Next, add the item to your cart by selecting the Add to Cart button. Once the item has been added successfully, open your cart by clicking View Cart. Inside your shopping cart, you'll find additional pickup options for eligible products. From there, select the Warehouse Pickup option. You'll then be asked to choose a warehouse location. Enter your zip code in the provided field to search for Costco warehouses near your area. The website will display a list of available warehouse locations that support pickup for your selected item. Review the list carefully and choose the warehouse that's most convenient for you. Once you select a location, the website will display useful information, including how far the warehouse is from your location and the available pickup times. This makes it much easier to decide where and when you'd like to collect your order, while also confirming that the item is in stock at that location. By following these steps, you can quickly check whether Costco has the item you're looking for and avoid making an unnecessary trip to a warehouse where it may not be available. It's a simple process that can save you both time and effort before you head out to shop. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,